In this video, I will show you how you can generate new Stripe API key. So this is really easy. Firstly, you want to search for API keys. So you want to open API key settings. So it's this one, developer/API keys. And from here you can see your publishable and secret key. And to generate a new key, so let's say you want to remove this old one and generate new. You just want to click those three dots next to it. And you have the option to rotate key, so that means it's going to generate a new key. So click on it, and from here you want to select an expiration date. So if you choose now, it will be expired immediately. So I will choose now, and expiration may take a couple of minutes. Once this key expires, you can't perform any actions with it. So if you are sure, just click on rotate API key, and this is going to generate new API key. You can also do it with the secret key if you want. So that's pretty much it. If you found this video helpful, consider subscribing for more tutorials.